Hey YouTube, this is a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500, leveled on some new Duratrack Goodyear Wranglers. This is a tutorial on the new OEM trailering mirrors that have hit the market. So I'll show you guys what they look like and how to go ahead and put through them. So they do have the integrated turn signals, the integrated reverse LED backup lights, the front turn signal, as well as they are manual extend out and they are manual push. I did go with the black caps instead of the chrome because of the style that I was looking for. So there's other videos on YouTube as far as how to go ahead and remove this door panel, guys, so I'm not going to go that in depth into it, but just so you guys kind of have a little idea as far as what they look like and what you need to do in order to install these. So you're going to need, realistically, to get started, you're going to need these two tools. So you're going to need an automotive plastic trim piece that you can pick up from Harbor Freight, and a picket tool, like one yourself. So what's going to happen is you're going to come over here and there's going to be this little plastic piece. You're going to pop this out, right? And there's two bolts down in this area that you're going to need to remove. And then right behind here, behind the door panel itself, or the door handle itself, you're going to pop that guy off, and then there's another one. After you remove those three bolts, you need to come down here, and I know it's really hard to see, but there's going to be another one located here and down here that you're going to need to remove. After that's done, I'm not going to go into it just because of time, but you're going to take this trim piece tool and you're going to start prying it out, working, excuse me, there you go, working it out from this side and bringing it up, and then it'll pop right out. Once you go ahead and do that, there is a bolt located back here, same size millimeter as the other ones, that you're going to need to remove in order to take off this door panel, guys. Once that's done, I suggest taking this tool and working it down from this bottom corner up, because this tolerance level here in this corner is very tight, so especially with the lock here. So once you get that going, you can pop that off, and it should be smooth sailing from there. And I have another video from the passenger side that I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and what you need to do in order to hook in the new wire harnesses. I've already took the door panel off because there's other videos out there. This is what it looks like. We just installed the new wiring harness. As you can see, right here is the main head. We just installed some new Kicker 6.5 speakers. When you are removing the new wire harness in order to support these new mirrors, you do not have to take this off, but I highly suggest you keep the window up. So, and the easiest way is actually to remove the speaker and pull the harness out this way. So just going to show you what it looks like once it's all finally connected. So we have right here is the new harness. You do have to drill a new hole right at this spot because you only have 3 locations from the old mirrors. So you have to do a 10mm drill bit into the sheet metal. There's already a prefabricated hole in this area. So went ahead and drilled that and set everything up, and just gotta put the harness together. So bear with me, I'm doing this one-handed. So we're gonna go ahead and reassemble this back together, and bear with me right now. So we got the mirrors together, and this is gonna go to the door panel right up here for your power windows, and this is the cable for your door handle. Underneath here, your weather strip, you have to reset up. Let me use my phone here for a second. You have to reset up, connect the wire here in order for the power motor for the window. Then you have some fasteners located here, here, as well as here. Coming over to the right side, lift this back up here. You feed the wire from this location all the way over to this way, and then you're gonna pull it, fasten this fastener here and through this location, and then you're gonna pull it and make sure that the cup on the wire is pulled through. Go ahead and plug this back in and make sure it's snapped. then you want to make sure that you go ahead, press and seal this back down. All right, guys, so you just saw what the door panel looked like on the passenger side off. A couple things just to be noted, since I'm on the driver's side showing you this right now. The one thing that I did find that was a pain putting this back on is that this channel weather strip right here that is a part of the door panel that has to tie over the sheet metal was a really big pain, especially trying to get this lock to go through the hole. So what me and my buddy had to do is, I was holding the door panel and he took this handy automotive trim tool and used it kind of as like a prior bar in order to wedge this over, to just align it over the sheet metal as we were pushing it down, and worked our way down all the way. It seemed to work. I'm sure there's an easier way to do it. I haven't seen anyone post as far as the best way to go about it, but that's what ended up working for me if anyone else has any problems. So I'm gonna shut the lights off just so you guys can see what the functionalities of the mirrors look like. So I'm inside my garage because it's during the day, and this is what the LED lights look like. As you can tell in the mirror, once I go ahead and hit the cargo lamps off, that's how much light they go ahead and use. The turn signals are pretty bright themselves. They are, you know, power mirror tops. They are manual blind spot mirrors on the bottom that you have to push. The ones that I did get, like I did say in my previous spot, is that they are manual folding, so they are not power folding. When you do have over here, the LED lights will work in park, drive, and neutral, but will not work in drive mode because of safety reasons, right? But all you need to do is come down here and hit your cargo lights, and they're integrated with the ones in the bed of the pickup truck, and there you go. So I'll go ahead and post the links as far as where I got my parts and the part numbers, and the cheapest place that I found in order to get these OEM mirrors, the black ones and the chrome ones. So if you guys have any questions, comment below, and thanks for watching.